Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello, everyone, and hello, Nexo. This is a vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today, we will learn words from these categories. Months, with words like January and February. Seasons of the year, with words like spring and winter.
That sounds very useful, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Words. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Phrases. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin, Nexo?
Yes, Emma. I am ready.
Let's start by listening to the words.
Great. I will listen carefully. Months. January. January. February. February. March. March. April. April. May. May. July. July. August. August. September. September.
October. October.
November. November. December. December. Seasons of the year. Spring. Spring. Summer. Summer. Autumn. Autumn. Winter. Winter. I know some months now.
Now, we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary we learned. Nexo, match the image with the correct word.
March. January. February. December. What is this? January. What is this? February. What is this? March. April. August. May. What is this? April. What is this? May. What is this? August. July. March. September. What is this? July.
What is this?
August.
What is this?
September. November.
October.
September. December.
What is this?
October.
What is this?
November.
What is this?
December. Winter. Summer. Spring. Autumn.
What is this?
Spring.
What is this?
Summer.
What is this?
Autumn.
How was the quiz? Nexo?
It was good and easy.
Excellent. Now let's hear the vocabulary in context.
Months. January. January is cold. January is cold. February. February is a short month. February is a short month. March. March has green trees. March has green trees. April. April has rain. April has rain. May. May has many flowers. May has many flowers. June is sunny. June is sunny. July. July is hot. July is hot. August. August is a summer month. August is a summer month. September. September is a school month. September is a school month.
October.
October has orange leaves. October has orange leaves. November. November is windy. November is windy. December. December has snow. December has snow. Seasons of the year. Spring. Spring has flowers. Spring has flowers. Summer. Summer is hot. Summer is hot. Autumn. Autumn has red leaves. Autumn has red leaves. Winter. Winter is cold. Winter is cold.
Now it is time for Quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
I will choose the correct sentence.
January is cold.
C. February is a short month. B. March has green trees. A. April has rain. A. May has many flowers. C. June is sunny. A. July is hot. B. August is a summer month. C. September is a school month. C. October has orange leaves. B. November is windy. C. December has snow. A. Spring has flowers. C. Summer is hot. B. Autumn has red leaves. B. Winter is cold. A.
Good job, Nexo. The class was useful. This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye, listeners. Please continue with the next lesson.
Thank you, Emma. I liked this lesson.